Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Krishna. Today I'm gonna show you how to create rounded rectangles in PowerPoint. So before that, have a look at my YouTube channel and I have videos on office automation, basically on Excel and MS Word automation, and few topics on PowerPoint as well. Sometime back, I had uploaded a video on how to create a custom rounded corner rectangles, but I had used the brute force method. But in PowerPoint 2010 or maybe in earlier versions also, there is an option readily available wherein you can change the curve length. All right. So what I mean is, as you can see here, I have four shapes. Each of them have a different curve length, different kind of curve, right? So this one looks like almost a rectangle but a small curve, and this a bit more curve compared to the first one, even bigger curve, and this one, the fourth, looks almost like a circle, right? So basically it's a rectangle with rounded corners. So I have changed the curve length, right? Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to insert a new slide, get rid of these things. Okay, under insert, under shapes, you have this icon here, right? Shape. So it's called rounded rectangle. You might be knowing that. All right. So this is a default curve. You can see here, right? It's a default curve. So if you want to change that, click this, the diamond, yellow diamond, and drag it however you want. Click this, the diamond, yellow diamond, and drag it however you want. Okay, more curve, less curve, and even you can have a perfect rectangle as well. The good thing is it will maintain the symmetry on all the four corners. Okay, that is one thing. And second thing, you can edit the points. So let me show you that. Okay, so insert any shape. It doesn't matter to, I mean, it's not required to be a rounded rectangle. You can use any shape. So let me use this. Okay, so here also you get this, but this is kind of a predefined, right? If you want to change the shape completely, you have this option called edit points. So every corner you will get these points. By dragging those points, you can change the shape. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is click this, drag all the way here somewhere, something like this. Okay, so this is one custom image or custom shape. But it's tedious job to get the perfect shape. But if there is a requirement like that, you can use this thing. Okay, that is one. And if you want to change this shape, I mean edge, so click on this thing. Okay, I mean you can do whatever you want. And if you want to have one more corner here, click and drag. I'm basically creating some random pictures because I don't have any requirement to create any custom shapes as of now, but there is an option. If you need it, you can use this. I don't know what is this. Okay, thanks guys. That's all for today.